Hi everyone, so today I'm doing my first NailBoxy subscription in a long time, and I thought it was the July box, but it might be the June box. I'm gonna have to check. And then if you're wondering, it did come in a white box because they sent out a message that they were having some trouble getting their normal boxes, so for June and July at least they said it would come in these white boxes, which isn't a big deal, honestly. I mean, I was a little confused at first when I got it because I didn't know what it was until I fully opened it, but so let's read about NailBoxy. So it says, join now, and each box you'll receive 5 to 10 full nail size products. They range from professional nail products such as gel, builder gel, acrylic, to nail products, and tools for $29.99 a month with free US shipping. Once you subscribe, your subscription date renews on the same day you sign up every month. Your renewal date can be changed to a different date and time, a date at any time. It will automatically renew on that date unless you skip a month, pause your subscription, or cancel. You receive a new box each month with different products. And then it says you get to learn by following them, and you get to enjoy the different things. So I didn't see when I clicked, let me click subscribe now. Right now it says they only have like the monthly option. I know in the past they had like, you could do like 3 months out, 6 months out, or something like that. So I'm not quite sure why they changed it. I haven't seen anything about it, but it says please do not resubscribe once you've already subscribed. Like, once you subscribe, you get it every month, you don't have to do anything. And it says we're not liable for duplicate boxes, which is fair. And so right now there's only one option of $29.99 a month, which is monthly, so usually it was a little cheaper if you did more than that. But anyways, let's go get right in and start unboxing this month's NailBoxy, and I'll keep you updated in the title on whether or not it's June or July. Please keep watching. Alright, so as explained in the intro, this is not the normal nail box. I don't have any of the boxes they changed it to. I don't have like the really old ones. But this is what it looks like when you open it up. And it says, thank you for your order. I hope this package brightens your day as much as your order has brightened ours. Due to some recent events with our fulfillment center transition and no access to our packaging materials, we are using temporary boxes for fulfilling both Red Iguna and NailBoxy orders. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. NailBoxy boxes will be available moving into August. If you are a new subscriber and would like a NailBoxy box for Red Iguna hand orders, we can provide you with a box at your request when we have them, or add to your next order free of charge. Thanks for your understanding. It's greatly appreciated. April, Ryan, and Anna Luisa Franklin, which I believe are the owners and main person. And it says Jelly Fit Professional Extra Special NailBoxy promo. Use code NailBoxy25 at checkout to get 25% off. And that is from Jelly Fit Professional. Okay. Yeah, I believe this is the June box because I believe I specifically subscribed because I wanted specific things that came in it. Dip powder recycling system, no product waste, easy cleanup, no double dip. I don't think it says professional, just professional nails. Or dip, I don't know, it doesn't say, I don't know if that's the brand. But it says, not a fan of double dipping, we have a solution for you. Scoop up your desired dip powder, pour the powder over the nail, catch excess powder, and reuse. So, oh, and it comes with a little foil. Okay, we have multiple, I see, multiple layers for dipping. And, okay, I've never used one of these before. I don't really do dip that often, as many of you have seen my other video. That was like the first time I've done dip on myself, and I've done it a couple times out on other people in nail school, but yeah, that's good. It sounds more sanitary. And the next thing, it just says Gold Leaf. So like, like I said, I don't see a brand on this. I don't know if it's Professional Nails, if that's the brand. And this one, I don't see a brand. It just says Gold Leaf, which I wanted some of this because I have one of my friends who wants a press-on order with this. I'm trying to see if I can get these pieces. Oh, no, it's just, okay, it's like way filled, but there are some pieces coming off on the side, so it looks like this. It's very thin. Could rip it up into little pieces very easily. I would use tweezers if you did it, but yeah, so it's just Gold Leaf. Like I said, it doesn't say a brand or anything. Let me make sure everything looks in view. Okay, oh, there's these little flowers. What are we gonna bring this salon? So it looks like, honestly, it looks like some tribal print, some blue flowers, some strawberries and roses, some beige flowers, some teddy bears, some bees and ladybugs, some purple and blue flowers, some different colored leaves, some bows, different like daisies, and then yellow flowers with bees, and then purple and pink flowers with purple and pink butterflies. Yeah, so this looks super cute and fun to use. Let's see what, oh, this just looks, another thing, like there's no, usually there's brands on this stuff, I think. And then there's just this like silver iridescent foil. Okay. And then there's this gold glitter that looks like it has, oh my god, I don't remember what that shape is. Octagons, then we'll say, with like stars, like different sized octagons and stars. 6 hexagon, hexagon. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. I forgot to turn it on silent. Do that real quick. Yes, it comes with this little jar. Again, no brand. Usually, NailBoxy is very good about including the brand with everything. And then it says rhinestones, but I believe they're actually called like caviar beads or something. Let's see. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see. Yeah, they look like little caviar beads. So I'm not sure why it says rhinestone, but it comes in this little thing. You usually get them at like the nail supply shop and stuff. Let's just take out this big thing that's in the way. I'm assuming this is something for like organizing your rhinestones or things. They look like those little things that, like, if you take pills weekly, obviously, but the shorter amount, I can't open it. Yeah, so it looks like you just put them in little containers and open up each one. It comes in a nice little colorful set. That's super helpful. And then there is this, oh, I was gonna say, I have no idea what this tool is, but it looks like tweezers. It should be helpful for applying pretty much everything that has come in the box before. Yeah, oh my god, these are pretty and very like detailed. Okay. And then these look like more 3D. Yeah, they look like little 3D, like, purplish pinkish buttons. Those would be super cute on a design. Even like simple with just like a purple background and then putting those on. And then there are these, oh, I thought they were bows. They're little teddy bears. They're like clear iridescent teddy bears to go on the nail. And then lastly, let's get this box out of the way. And I won't be saving that long since it's not in a special NailBoxy. Honestly, like, I don't know, it's not the biggest deal to me to not get the NailBoxy box, especially if you get them every month. It's like whatever. And these just look like different sized gold hearts. Okay. Alright, well, honestly, like, I'm used to getting, I got all my swatch stuff out for the one time that I'm ready with swatch stuff, and then there's no polish yet, which is fine. I'm not worried about it. But let's see how many products we got. What do we got? Foil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that even? I thought they said they claimed to have. Let's see. Did my phone freeze? Oh my god. Let's go back to how it works. Yeah, it said 5 to 10. If I did count right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 11. So yeah, we got more than what it called for. I'm really pleased with it. You can create tons of art. I've always wanted these caviar beads and the gold leaf. The other stuff you could create super cute designs with. This is something super simple that everyone needs, especially if you're doing art like with these big pieces. It's really helpful to have a pair of tweezers to pick them up and place them on the nail. And then like Flowers like these are super in right now, as well as the gold leaf. This is super useful for someone starting out on dip powder, and if you're doing them on clients, it's a lot more, what's it called, sanitary doing it like this. So yeah, overall I'm super pleased. As well, we also got the coupon code, 25% off. So that's super nice, and I'm, like I just said a million times, I'm super pleased with this box. I'm really happy to be resubscribed again. I'll leave all the links for the website below. I might leave a Red Iguana link as well, because that's where you can get other stuff from her. And I believe April Ryan is the owner of Red Iguana NailBoxy, and then Anna Luisa's like the co-manager or something. I'm not quite sure of her title. But yeah, I will leave all the links for that below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!